Welcome to this tutorial on how to activate your ETrade debit card. Activating your card is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. First, locate the activation sticker on your card. This sticker usually contains instructions along with a phone number and a website link. You can choose either to call the number or visit the website to proceed with the activation. If you decide to activate by phone, call the number provided on the sticker. Make sure you have your card handy. Once you are on the line, follow the prompts given by the automated system. You will typically need to provide your card number and some personal information for verification. Once you've completed the steps, you should receive confirmation that your card is activated. Alternatively, if you prefer to activate online, visit the ETrade website. Look for the section dedicated to debit card services or account management. You will need to log into your ETrade account using your username and password. Once logged in, find the option to activate your debit card and follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your card number and any required information to complete the activation process. After the activation is successful, your ETrade debit card will be ready to use. Remember to set your personal identification number if you haven't done this already. This will help ensure that your finances remain secure while you enjoy the flexibility of using your ETrade debit card. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.